On behalf of Maya's Research and Learning Private Limited, as course coordinator, very happy to invite you all to this online course on creation of blog and content management. Myself, Dr. S. Aravind, librarian and head, Central Library and Department of Library and Information Science, GTN Arts College, Dindukal. As I told earlier in notification, there will be internal assessment on every day. You have to attend at the particular time only. The question will be based on presentation like video and PowerPoint. The assessment link remains open by 4 to 5 pm only. No subsequent exam if you fail to appear in time. Daily assessment is mandatory. On 5th May 2020, there will be an external exam link remains open by 3 to 5 pm only. Please do watch and observe the session. Today for the first session, I would like to welcome our resource person, Dr. R. Kavita, working as an assistant professor, Department of Library and Information Science, Mother Teresa Women's University, Kodaikanal. Her topic is Impact of Blog. Welcome you, ma'am.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, one and all. I take this opportunity to render my hearty thanks to my technical guru, Dr. S. Aravind, librarian and head, GTN Arts College, Dindukal, and I would like to convey my gratitude to Maya Research and Learning Private Limited for providing me this opportunity. Blog is another word for weblog. A blog is a website that is like a diary or journal. Most people can create a blog and then write on that blog. Bloggers often write about their opinions and thoughts. When a person writes on a blog, they write is in a form of post, which is a single piece of writing on the blog. Posts often include links to other websites. In the blog, articles appear chronologically. It is an archive of older articles, a way for people to leave comments about the articles or posts. A list of links to other related sites, sometimes called a blog roll. One or more feeds like RSS, Atom or RDF files. Before you begin blog writing, consider ideas. Idea means that are stuff of which messages are made. Consider organization. Ordering ideas logically so that they make sense. Consider voice. Voice is tone and style that you consciously choose to suit the target audience. Consider word choice. To find the perfect word to convey the message in an effective manner. Consider sentence fluency to make the reading move with pace, flow and rhythm. Consider presentation. It is the preparation of written message in a way that attracts readers' attention while writing a blog with the reader's mind. Remember WIIFM. It means what is in it for me. While writing a blog, make it valuable and worthwhile. Don't waste people's time, proofreader for typos and glaring grammatical errors. Keep it short and simple, as most online readers are scanners. Lengthy means uninteresting. Keep it lively and interesting. Style should be direct and scriptsy. Write like you are speaking with your friend or to yourself. Just get to the point quickly. Keep in mind with the 5 W's. In the first para, who, what, why, when and where. Publishing short posts more frequently is better than publishing lengthy articles every few weeks. link often as it builds credibility. Use keywords. This will help you to stay on course and the search engines will love your blog. Keep your copy live, factual, tight, clear, short and search engine optimized. Why do people blog? They can be used for anything that involves communicating or publishing information on World Wide Web, teaching, educational and corporate use. Your blog can be a personal diary, a project collaboration tool, a guide or any means of communicating and publishing information on the web. Post regularly but be worthy. Stick with only a few specific genres to talk about. Don't put subscribe or vote me terms. Use a clean and simple theme if at all possible. Comment on other people's posting. It consists of 4 main parts: title, body, permalink and the posted date. Title means main title or headline of the posting. The main content of the post is called body. Permalink means the URL, the individual article. Post date, date and time of the post was published. It optionally includes comments, categories or tags. It means subject that the entry discusses, track back or ping back. It links to other sites. Types of blog. Personal blog. The personal blogs are ongoing diary or commentary by an individual is the traditional most common blog. Corporate blog. A blog can be private as in the most cases or it can be for business purposes. Question blogging. It is answerable questions. By media type, a blog comprising video is called a blog. One comprising link is called a link log. A site containing a portfolio of sketches is called a sketch blog, or one comprising photos is called photo blog. A popular type of blog used by many bloggers. A specific type of media is used to blog. Example, photo blogging, video blogging, link blogging. It is self-exploration narrative, just as we study ourselves in a mirror. By device, blog can also be defined by which type of device is used to compose it. By genre, some blogs focus on a particular subject, such as political blog, travel blog, house blog, fashion blog, project blog, education blog, etc. Make marketing in blogging. Self-advertising is likely the most common means of leveraging a blog to generate income. Help sell others' product. Here is another click-through opportunity. Affiliate programs enable your product. Solicit contribution. As for contribution, if for instance your small business blog supports a cause or issue in some fashion, market your service in your blog. Many people associate blogs exclusively with a cyberspace-based soapbox. Use a blog to deepen your existing customers' relationship. Nor does any marketing material inserted in blog content have to be limited to bringing in completely a new business. Example of people making money blogging. Bike198.com. It means mountain biking, sports and leisure. It is a blog for the sales of bike. PSDTouchPlus.com. Creative and educational. This is the educational blog used for educational purpose. Timothy Skies, penny stock markets. This is for stock marketing purposes. Caradvice.com.au. This blog gives you purchase of car ideas. The best free blog I will tell you the best free blog sites. WordPress, www.wordpress.org. Best for people who want to 100% own their blog and customize it. It is perfect for setting up a series website that you plan to work on long term. WordPress.org is the king of free blogging sites. It is a free platform, but you need to build the site mostly by yourself afterwards. You also have to host the software yourself. While you can find some free WordPress hosting, a better long-term strategy is to pay a moderate amount for a solid WordPress host. Wix, www.wix.com. It is best for non-techies who want some regular website functionality along with a blog. Wix is a free website builder that can be totally managed from the front end. The main characteristics of this platform is that it comes with a drag and drop option, so you don't have to handle anything in the back end. The design is very intuitive and modern, which can be used by both beginners and advanced. The nice thing about Wix is that it has a free hosting included, so you just need to arrange the layouts, pick a template, and you are all set. It provides a nice collection of free and premium themes and templates for different purposes, including blogging. Weebly, www.weebly.com. It is best for non-techies who want some regular website functionality along with a blog. Weebly is another website builder that you can use not only to blog but also to sell products or showcase your portfolio. It is somewhat similar to Wix to the extent that it provides a WYSIWYG editor with the drag and drop elements. If you want to add a certain button, you can simply drag it to the page and customize it. The same happens with the photo galleries, slideshows, and any other multimedia elements. Medium, www.medium.com. It is best for people who just want to write or looking for access to a built-in audience and don't care about having their own sites. Blogger, www.blogger.com. It is best for people who want to write and aren't concerned about owning their own site but also wouldn't mind make a little pocket money. Ghost, www.ghost.org. It is best for people who need something simple. It is simpler than WordPress but offering a modern vibe at the same time. Tumblr, www.tumblr.com. It is best for people who are into more short form, image focused content and don't need any regular website functionality. Joomla, www.joomla.org. It is best for people who want to launch a simple personal blog but care about details such as having a custom domain and being supported by a host. Moreover, if you are more into old school basic website design, Joomla will offer you that. Jimdo, www.jimdo.com. Best for people who are more comfortable editing the content directly on the front end of the site. Thus, plus, you do not need a blog of a high complexity. Impact of blog. It promotes autonomous learning by providing opportunities for students to take more control of their learning. It promotes discussion among students. It encourages the use of the internet and the web among students and teachers. Importance of blog. The importance of blogging is huge on internet. Blogging helps teachers to connect with the students. It helps business owners to engage customers. It helps search engines users to find appropriate and effective information and knowledge. It promotes business. Thanks for patient hearing.